Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Xiaomi Redmi 9 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a cable in the charger port using a picker and pry tool. Insert the pick and by using a plastic card pry tool, gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the rear cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. Undo 11 screws and lift the protector cover by disconnecting the Touch ID plug. Next, from the left hand side, disconnect the battery, LCD and main flex plugs. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws to take out the cover. Next, disconnect the other side of the main flex cable and antenna. To take out the broken charging board, unlock the screw and lift it using a pry tool. The secondary PCB board comes with the charging port and the headphone jack. Next, replace the broken charging board with a new unit and place it on the body. Next, secure the board by adding the screw and then connect the main flex and antenna into the board. Next, place the PCB cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the LCD, battery and main flex plugs into the board. Next, insert 11 screws and secure the logic board frame. Do not forget to connect the Touch ID plug and the shield by adding the screw on the bottom right. Finally, add the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the charging port replacement guide on Redmi 9 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.